Okay, Etam, welcome to your video tutorial. Today we are going to have a look at triangles, their properties, and how to solve geometrical problems with them. Okay, the main important things that you need to remember is that the interior sum of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. The other thing that you need to be able to know is different types of triangles, how to classify them by their side lengths or by their internal angles. Here's the table. By their side lengths, you can either have an equilateral, an isosceles, or a scalene. Okay, isosceles, two sides equal, equilateral, all equal, scalene, no equal sides. Easy. An acute angled triangle is a triangle that has all angles less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angled triangle is a triangle that has one angle at least over 90 degrees. And a right angled triangle is a triangle that has at least one right angle. They are very self-explanatory. Okay, here's a kind of question that you might be asked. Okay, so I know the angle sum of a triangle is equal to 180. So 1, 2, and 3 equal 180. X plus 85 plus 55 equals 180. Okay, 85 plus 55, let's just solve it like we would any equation. X plus what's 85 plus 55? 85 plus 55, 100, 140 equals 180. Okay, how do I get things away from the pronumeral? Well, if it's a plus 140, I minus it. If I minus it from this side, okay, I have to minus it from the other side. That cancels out. X equals 180 minus 140, that was meant to say. Okay, X equals 40 degrees. Okay, you can solve it hundreds of ways. I'm just solving it using equations because they make lots of sense. Okay, another kind of question is, find the value of x in this triangle. So we're being asked for an interior angle. Okay, now what I know about isosceles triangles, because this side here is equal to this side here, it also means that that angle there in next to it is equal to that angle there in next to it. This guy's different, but those two angles are the same. I know the interior sum of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so because this is equal to that one, because it is the same thing, I can call it x as well. Okay, so x plus 40 equals 180. 2x plus 40 equals 180. Okay, I just grouped those two terms. Okay, if it's a plus 40, how do I get rid of a plus 40? A minus 40. If I minus 40 from that side, I do the same thing to that side. That cancels out. 2x equals 140. If 2x equals 140, to find out what x is, I divide this side by 2. What I do to one side, I do the same to the other. X equals 70 degrees. Okay, the last kind of question that you might be asked to do is use the exterior angle theorem to find out the value of x. I'm not going to teach you what that is just yet. We're going to see if we can find another way. I know that the interior sum of an angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So if that's 95 and that's 50, okay, they're going to be 105 altogether. If they equal 180, that means this guy's going to have to be 75. Because 50 plus 95 plus 75 is 180. What are these guys sitting on? They are adjacent angles and they are sitting supplementary to each other. So they're going to equal 180 degrees. Okay, so 180 minus 75 must mean that that is equal to 105. Hold on, haven't I heard that phrase 105 before? What's 95 plus 50? Interesting. Okay, let's do the same thing here. Okay, if this guy here is equal to 70 degrees, these adjacent angles are supplementary, they're sitting on a straight line. So if that's 70, this must be 110. Okay, to find out x, I know that the interior sum of a triangle is equal to 180. 110 plus 30 is 140, which must mean that x equals 40 degrees. Oh, isn't that interesting? 30 degrees plus 40 degrees, 70 degrees. Weird. And that's it, guys. That's working with triangles.